Okay,
Yes.
okay. Yeah, okay, fine, fine, fine. See, guys. So in our Android, we have mainly three type of menu designs. One is options menu, and second one is context menu, and third one is pop-up menu. In these three, we are mainly concentrate on two things, guys. One is context menu, and second one is pop-up menu. And what about the options menu? See, options menu is also we use, but we didn't focus on the options menu. We are going to focus on mainly two things. So, one is what context menu and what pop-up menu. So first I explain what is context menu and I explain pop-up menu. So after that I will explain what options menu. Okay. See, yes.
Sir, one topic is remaining from last session.
Pending intent, right? The pending intent concept I explained in the broadcast receiver concept. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. See here, guys. First I'll go with like I'm going to close my project. Okay. See here, guys. I work on first context menu. See, guys, what is context menu? See, context menu is a one menu to apply a long press listener. See, guys. So each and everyone see your phone. In your phone, you have a contacts page, right? You have a contacts page in your phone, right? Open your contacts page, guys. Open your contacts. Open your contacts page.
Yes, okay, sir.
Okay. So just select one. Long press on any one particular name. Long press. Will you get one menu or not?
Yes.
This menu we are going to call as what? Context menu. Okay.
I have not got.
See, in your contact, open your phone and open our contact page. We have some contacts, right? In your contacts, we can apply the long press lizard for anyone contact. So once you apply the long press lizard, we'll get one menu or not? This menu we are going to call as what?
Yes. We get one page. Open up one page.
Yeah, that is the context menu. That menu we are going to call as what more? Context menu. So this applicable only for Android phones, not for iOS, not for iPhones, right? Only applicable for what? Android phones. So how we can make this? Okay, see, guys. Context menu, not context app. Context menu. See, open your contacts page in your phone. Okay, we can click any particular contact. We can apply the long press on any particular contact. So when you press on when you are going to apply the long press on any contact of your contact page, you'll get one window, right? So that window you are going to call as what? Context menu. Okay, if you are going to apply the long press listener for any type of which phone you are using? Okay, no issue. I'll explain.
Sony Xperia.
Yeah, I explain, no issue. I explain you. Sima. So start new Android Studio project. It is what, ma? Context menu app. So D drive. Calculate. Thursday lights. Copy here. Here. Next, phone and tablet. Next, empty activity. Next, and what? Click on what? Finish button. It will take some time to load your application. Okay. Okay. See here, mom. So we have this one here, right? Okay. See here, mom. What I'm going to do here is I remove the entire stuff over here. I select what, mom? I select what linear layout. So I'm going to close this linear layout here. It is what, more? Layout height, right? It is what? Match parent, and what more? Width is what? Match parent. Okay. See here, orientation is what more? Vertical. Okay. After that, what? So see here, I'll take one text view, mom. I'll take what? One text view. Okay. So ID @ID TV acad grid. TV acad grid. Height is what more? Wrap content. Width is what more? Match parent. Okay. Text is what more? Acad grid. Okay. Next is what? Margin. Go with this 25 dp. Okay. Text size is 25 sp. Padding is 12 dp. And what? Gravity is what? Center. Okay. So you can apply the background, right, as 00dd88. Okay. And what, like text style is what? Bold. And text color is what? Android color black. Okay. See, mom. If I'm going to press long press on this, we'll have to create. We have to open what more? One menu, right? This menu you're going to call as what? Context menu. This menu you're going to call as what more? Context menu. See, mom. So I'm going to copy this. Okay. Here, what do you do here? So here, what more? Text view. Text view. TV acad grid. Okay. So we have to register this one or not? Equal to find view by ID or dot ID dot TV acad grid. So alt enter cast to text view. We have to apply what? On click or not? Sima. So if you are going to apply the on click, what happen? A normal click will apply. I don't need a normal click. I need what? Long press, right? So if you are going to apply the long press listener for this text view, so we have one method called register for context menu. What is that? Register for context menu. In this one, you are going to pass what? TV acad grid. So once you are going to pass in the register for context menu, you are going to pass TV acad grid. What happened? So automatically we apply what? A long press listener. They automatically it will get what more? Long press listener. Okay. Understand, guys? Understand
Yes,
or not?
sir. Yes, sir. Context
Okay.
menu is
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Okay, so what we do is after completion this. So what we do next is what? So you have to open what? You have to create one context menu or not. So for we have a method called on create context menu. What is that? On create context menu is there, ma'am. Okay, so you are going to add some items, right? How? How we are going to add the items? See how we are going to add the items like this one. See, like this. Menu dot add off. Menu dot add off. So in this add off method, we have how many parameters? Four parameters. One is group ID. Next one is what? Item ID. Next is what? Order. And next is what more? Character title. So see, group ID is always 0. Item ID will start from 0. Order ID will start from 1. And what is your title? Call us. Okay, call us. How many items are going to add now? Your wish. It is what? Item ID is 1, order ID is 2. It is what? Website. And here what? 2 is what? 3. Map view. Okay. And it is what? 3. It is what? 4. And it is what? Call us site, call us contact, camera view, map view.
Visitors करो.
Yeah, search, anything else? No issue, search. Okay, so if I'm going to long press on this, we have to open these 4 things. See, once you have to check out whether it is getting or not. Open your emulator here. Select this, start. Okay, close this. It will take some time to start the emulator. Okay, see here, mom. So what I do is I run the application and see the output. Sorry.
Why it takes very much time to load?
Sorry.
Why it take very much time to load?
Yeah, because of in my case, my RAM is only 6 GB. So actually, internally, yeah, we have so many processes running, right? So that's why it will take so much of time. So if you run with 8 GB RAM, so you don't want to take this much of time. So it will be very fast. So the problem is in my side only.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah. You see here, Mark? So when I click on the normal click, it not be applied, right? When I'm going to long press on this, we'll get what? One window or not? So this is what callers, website, map view, and what search. If you click on the callers, you are going to perform some action or not? What is that action? So understand, Mark? See, if I click on the normal click, nothing will happen. If I'm going to long press on this, something is happen, right? That is what context menu. Okay, clear, guys?
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, so what I after that, when I'm going to select, see, if I click on the if I long press on this, okay, we have some menu or not. So once I click on the website, you'll perform some action, right? What is that? So how we can perform the action? See,
Mani, sir,
yeah,
can we apply on-click event also on this button?
yeah, we
Multiple
can,
event.
yeah, but regularly we are using this one, right? So we are applying on click listen for the regular one, right? So context menu is a different one. So if you have a requirement to apply the long press, on the time you are going to use what?
Context menu.
Context menu. So
Yes.
one thing I explain you. So we can apply the on click also. No issue. We
Yes,
can apply
okay.
the on click also. No problem.
Means
Yeah.
for on-click, I will say, call the next activity, and for long press, I will call this.
Yeah,
Both,
exactly.
both,
Good.
both I can use.
Yeah, exactly. Good. You can use, no issue. See, if I wanna select the colors, we are going to perform action or not. So again, we have one more method called on context item selected. What is that? On context item selected. See, for this, I'm applying what switch mark. Switch item dot get item ID. Get item ID. Okay. So see here we can write like this. Case. What is the first item ID mark? 0, right? Break this. It is what? Case 1, case 2, case 3. Case 3, case 2, case 1, case 0. Okay. If I wanna press on case 0, what happened? We are going to perform one action. Call action, right? See, like this. Intent. Call intent equal to, already we discussed this. New intent dot action call. What is that? Action call. So URI dot parse of, what is that? EL plus 919959297904, my number. Zero 04 and what more? Start activity of what? Call intent. Okay. So we need to add what permission? Call phone permission in your manifest file. Remember, guys, already we worked on this. Call phone. Okay. Next, what do you do? If I click on case 1, what is the case 1? Website, right? What do you do here? Again, intent, browse intent, right? Equal to new intent of intent dot action view. Intent dot action view. So URI dot parse of http://www.acad catglit.com. Catglit.com. Okay. And what more? Start activity of what? Browse intent. We need what permission? Internet permission. Users permission. That is what more? Internet. Next is what? Case 2 is what more here? Map view, right? See. Intent. Map intent equal to new intent of intent dot action view dot parts of it is what geo colon 0 comma 0 question mark query equal to geo means what ma geolocation 0 comma 0 means what latitude and longitude question mark query q is what query equal to I search for a name called what Hyderabad. Okay, and finally what start activity of what ma map intent. What is that? Map intent. Okay, and finally what last one is what ma search. Like this intent search intent equal to new intent of it is search, right? What do you do here? Action web search. Intent dot action web search. Okay. Real example means I mean to say according to requirement. That's it. See, in your phone contacts, if, when you are going to apply the long press any particular contact, we'll get one menu or not. So that is also we can take as a real time example. And one more thing, we have some list of items is there. If any one item I want to delete that. So if you want to press a long press on this, you'll get what one menu. So that is what we have a delete option. When you click on the delete, automatically what happened? That record is deleted from the database also. That is also we can do. We can work on that. Okay. Yeah, sure. Right. After that, what? Start activity of what? Sorry, search intent only. I search for something else, right? Sima. Here, search intent dot put extra of. So what is the key there, ma? Search manager dot query. What is the value? I search for Android material. Search for what, ma? Android material. I search for the Android material. Okay, like this. Sima. Anything else here? 1 second. Yeah. So run the application, no? Sima. If I press on the call as well, what happened? Call goes. Okay, clear guys? And next, if I press on the long press website, what is the website you are going to open? A cat grid. Okay. So bring or not? Next, long press on this. Search. So we'll get an exception, right? We don't have any Google Maps here. That's why we have an exception. No issue. Search this. Search for what? Android material. Under them we can use dialer pad intent. Dialer pad intent. We can use the SMS verification by through web services.
No, sir. Like if we are going to install WhatsApp and WhatsApp is sending verification message, and the app
Yeah.
automatically access that message.
Yeah. That is what I'm explaining you. So that process will done by through web services.
Okay.
That's
No, sir.
that.
How can we identify that? How can we identify that this message is sent by our application only? Because
That is what
there are a lot of messages on the
by using Google Cloud, by using a cloud messaging, by using a cloud messaging services, we are going to adapt that. So you will get that SMS from our application only. So we can migrate our application to Google Cloud. Okay.
Okay.
So that is what context menu. Understand the context menu, guys? Any notes here? Up to context menu.
No, sir, no.
So can we go for?
Kindly share this program to our mail ID, sir.
Yeah, exactly. No issue. I'll share you, no problem. So this is what, context menu. So next one is what? Pop-up menu. How we can see. What Sumit Gautam, he asked me, sir, how to do that means what? Yeah, dialer pad. We are going to use a dialer pad intent. Dialer pad intent, okay? We can directly, that number will display by through dialer pad. So from there we can go with the slot 1 or slot 2, we can make a call. So dialer pad intent, okay? Fine, ma'am. The next one is what, ma'am? Pop-up menu, right? See. Pop-up menu design. So a cat grid. Next. 1 second, ma'am. 1 second here. 1 second. So we can select here. Here we have to select API level 30 number. Why? Because so the pop-up menu will design by the version of API level 13 onwards. If you are going to select API level 10, what happen? You will get an exception. Okay, the class not found exception. So that's why you have to select what API level 11 onwards. Actually, from the API level 11, the pop-up menu will design. So we have to select what from API level 11. So I selected the minimum education one API level 13. Okay. So click on the next one. MD activity, main activity, and what? That's see here, ma'am. So what I do is I create one button. So linear layout. Linear layout. It is what my height. You can go with this, like match parent. And what more? Width is what? Match parent only. Copy this. Paste here. Orientation is what more? Vertical. Okay. The next one is what you have to walk through like here what we have to create one text stream ID that plus that plus ID TV pop up. Okay, and what height is what wrap content, width is what match parent, and what more text is what pop up. Okay, so margin as what 25 dp, text size as what 25 sp. Okay, padding as what like 12 dp. Okay, next what gravity as what more center. You can apply the background color as what 00dd88. Okay, and what text style is bold. Text color is like black color. Okay ma. So if I wanna press on this, just normal click ma. Normal click it is. If I wanna press on this, you will get a pop-up here. You will get the pop-up here. When I want to click on this, again the pop-up will be disappear. How? See. So open your main activity. So it's what ma? XV, right? TV pop-up. Okay. So TV pop-up equal to find view by ID or dot ID dot TV pop-up. So when I click on right, so TV pop-up dot set on click laser of this makes main activity provides what ma? On click laser. See, in Android we have a class called pop-up menu ma. What is that? Pop-up menu. And I'm going to initialize this pop-up menu here ma. How to initialize like this? Pop-up menu equal to new pop-up menu of what is context mode. What is the context mode? Get application context. View anchor tag is what? TV pop-up. Okay, fine. So once I click on the pop-up, you'll get the pop-up menu or not? So what I'm going to do here is I want to create a new directory called, I'm going to create a new directory from the resource folder ma, like this. The directory name is what ma? Menu. What is that? Menu ma. Menu XML. Menu. So under this menu, I create what? One new XML file ma. That is what menu resource file. That is what main. Okay. So here we are going to add the items. See. Item ma. Item. It is what? We go with this ID ma. Direct plus ID. Direct plus ID. I'm going to click on what? One ma. Okay. Next is what? Title, right? One. So I am going to close this. So likewise, you are going to get what? Two, right? It is what? Two more. It is what? Two. And it is what more? Three. It is what? Three. It is what? Four. It's what? Four. Okay. That's it. So if I wanna click on the item here, if I wanna click on the button here, so whatever the items we have, all the items will be displayed on here, like this. See how. See now, one more important point. This is what XML, menu XML, my XML, right? So this XML is in where? Separate. This XML is separate XML. So we are going to inflate, right? We are going to inflate, right? How we are going to inflate? Like this. Pop-up menu dot get menu inflated dot inflate of. What is that? Get menu inflated dot inflate of or dot menu dot my. And what we get? Pop-up menu dot get menu will get. Okay. Understand, guys? And finally what? Pop-up menu dot what more? Show. Okay. See now. Run the application, see the output now. Understand, guys? Any queries?
No, sir. So just open activity main XML.
What XML? Activity main XML.
Activity main.
Okay.
Where is that pop-up defined?
Yeah, here.
That three dots.
The three dots will be defined here. Main XML.
Yes. Yes, understand.
Yeah. Shima, if I click on the pop-up menu, what happened? Will get the menu or not? Like this. If I click on here, disappear. Click, appear. Click, disappear. Click, appear. Click, disappear. Like this. So we have, like this. We are going to get this thing, right? Understand, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Fine. So this is what more pop-up menu, right? Okay. Next, what I do? If we are going to apply the see, if I click on the any particular item, we'll get some action or not. Again, on the time we have one more listener called set on menu item click listener. What is that? Set on menu item click listener. New on menu item click listener. Okay, on menu item click listener. So it is what ma? Item dot. Sorry, we can apply the switch case. Switch case. Item dot get item ID. First is what my case r dot id dot. What is that? 1. Because of action. Next. Case 2. Next 3. Next 4. Okay. So here what do you do? You are going to write your own logic. Okay. So whatever the logic you apply for the context menu, the same thing you are going to use, or you can, according to your requirement, you can use. Okay. Clear, guys?
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah. Tell me.
Could you please change the color of menu on the menu, please?
What change? What color?
Like if we press 1, then the color of the first menu will change, and like vice versa, sir.
Yeah, that is what. So that part you people have to work on that. Okay, if I try means I know, but you people also work, right? So you people have to try on that. If you people have a getting stuck, I will help you out. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, why? Because of each and everything I explained, that is not correct, right? So you have to work on that. You have to try on that. If not come, I'll explain you. Okay. No issue. Fine. So this is what more pop-up menu. Okay. So the next one is what more Sima. Again, go for the dashboard here once. So introduction to menus, options menu, creating options menu, context menu, creating context menu, and what pop-up menu. So we have what options menu is here, right? See how we can go with the options menu. Ma. See ma. So close the project here. So start new Android Studio app. This is what ma? Options menu app. Okay. So next, finally, what? 1 second, no? Wait a second. Yeah. Okay, see here, ma. So here we have one method called on create options menu. What is that? On create options menu. Ma. So in this menu, directly I'm going to call my own XML. See, I want to create a new XML here. See, I select the project here, app here, SRC here, main here, resource, under resource. I create a new directory called what? Menu. So under menu, I create what? A new menu resource file. That is what? Main. Okay. So here what? We are going to add what? Items. So it is what? No? ID, right? At the plus ID. First one is what? Like one only again. So title is what? One. So likewise, you're going to add, 2, 3, 4. 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, and what? 1. Okay. Sima. But how I can access this XML to here is, so we have a method called what? Get menu inflator dot inflate of, what is this? Odd dot menu dot main. Next what? Menu dot 1 second, please. Sermon password one menu. And finally written what? To here. Okay. See now. When I click on first you have to check out that. First you have to run the application, see the output once. We have a see. We have the options menu from the topmost one. Here, topmost one. I'll show you this. Oh, thank you, thank you. 1 second, please. Hello, hello, hi guys. Guys, are you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. See guys, so we have a topmost one is three symbols is there or not? When I click on this one, what happened? You'll get these things or not? This is nothing but what? Options menu. Okay. So when we are going to get this here, when you are going to get your action bar, so we have one menu. So once you are clicking on this, you'll get these things or not? This is nothing but what? Options menu. Okay. Clear guys?
Clear, sir.
So, but one more thing, guys, options menu is now we don't want to use in the real time. We are going to focus on only what? Context menu and what? Pop-up menu. Okay. So this is what guys? Menu designing. Clear, guys?
Sir, can we design menu with the use of images like we can give text and image both, sir?
Yeah, we can see.
Just give example, sir.
Icon is there or not? Icon. So at the red bitmap, what is this? IC launcher. Okay. So it shows icon always. Okay. Shows as action always you have to put like this. What happen again? Run the application and we'll get the image here. We'll get the image here. Okay, see the things. One second. 1 second, guys. Always. One second, guys. I'm going to comment this. Comment this one also. If you need images along with text, you're going to add add attribute called what? Icon. Okay. So automatically the icon will be added here. Clear or not? But here we have one thing, so check out that. Okay. Let me check this. So I can check out and intimate. I'll get back to you. So the thing is, the same scenario. So if you are going to apply the show action tag, as like if room or you can go with always. Okay, automatically your image will be shown over there. But why it's showing not here? I don't like that. But I will check out. I'll check out and I'll intimate you back. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, fine. No issue. No problem. So this is our Atma options menu. Clear, guys?
Clear, sir.
So if you are going to apply the icon, okay, on the time you are going to take attribute called what, ma? Icon attribute, okay, like this, okay. So from this we are going to complete this session right now.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, can we design a transparent menu?
Transparent menu means?
Like 4 menus are showing 1, 2, 3, and 4. I need their background will be transparent, sir.
Yeah, that is what. So we can work with the background colors. You can change. See, if I click on the particular item, so we can dynamically change the colors. That is what I'm explaining you. You will have to try on that. If not, come I will help you out. I'm telling you. Okay.
Okay.
That is what I'm explaining you. So the previously someone asked you the same question. So for that also I'm going to explaining you. So you people have to work on that. If not, come I'll help you out. Okay, no issue. Seema, so once you complete menu designing and so tomorrow you have session, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in the tomorrow's session we are going to focus on what? Storage. Okay. So how to work with the database and entire stuff. And one more thing, day after tomorrow I have session or not? Day after tomorrow.
No, sir.
See, one thing, ma. The next, I mean to say not tomorrow class. What are the class we have the next? Okay, the next class will be like 9:30, not from 9. Why? Because of I'm going to handle one project in my office. So that project will be like the timing will be like morning 11 to evening 8. Okay. So once I complete my office by 8 o'clock, I'll be catch up my cab when I come to my room is like 9 o'clock. So I'll take a fresh up and I'll come back by 9:30. So you have to take up the class by 9:30 onwards, not from this week, next week onwards. Okay. Understood, guys? Today's class. Any doubts?
Okay, sir.
So I need each and everyone here to practice. So the practice is very important. So without practice, no one can do anything else. So please make me practice, okay? So please, guys, anyone having a doubt, please ping me on WhatsApp. I'll be keep on touch with you, okay?
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Any document for more understanding?
Yeah, material. Are you asking material?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll forward the material in the email. Why? Because if you know that material in my office system. So tomorrow I don't have office. So I'll update the material by Friday. Okay.
Please do this, sir. Please.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Sir,
No
please
problem.
send the code of the class also, sir.
Yeah, sure. 100%.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, fine. Thank you, ma. Bye. Take care, ma. Good night.